Welcome to the City of Tustin's video series on the Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance. Now that you've determined whether or not the ordinance applies to a particular project, this video will identify the documents you need to comply. Now we're going to get into the technical details. Here we go. Projects that meet the ordinance criteria must complete two things. First, the landscape documentation package, which is before issuance of the permit. And second, the landscape certification of completion prior to the completion of the project. Please make sure you hire a licensed landscape and irrigation designer to help you with the design and calculations. First, the landscape documentation package. This is a submittal package that includes all of the design plans and calculations required before a permit can be issued. The qualified design professionals, including a registered landscape architect and certified irrigation designer, must complete the calculation worksheet and design the landscape area to meet the water standards in the ordinance. The Water Efficient Landscape Worksheet includes information on the plant factors, irrigation method, irrigation efficiency, and required calculations for evapotranspiration adjustment factor, maximum applied water use, and estimated applied water use. Oof. Thankfully, your landscape design professional will know what all those mean. Depending on the project, required plans may include a landscape design plan, irrigation design plan, grading design plan, and soil management report. Once the landscape documentation package has been reviewed and approved, the permit is eligible to be issued. After the permit is obtained, you can begin construction. As the construction and landscaping progresses, the contractors will install the irrigation and landscaping per plan and schedule required inspections. The final step is the certification of completion. This document confirms the landscape and irrigation were installed as planned. It may only be signed by a licensed landscape architect, certified landscape irrigation designer, or licensed landscape contractor. Unfortunately, the property owner or project applicant may not sign the certificate of completion unless they are the licensed design professional. Once it has been signed and submitted, the project will be eligible for final inspection. Where do you turn in your landscape document package and certification of completion? Submit them directly to your assigned planner or building permit technician, who will file the documents for record-keeping purposes. We hope this video series has helped you to understand the Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance, which project must comply, and what documents to submit. Feel free to speak with the planner if you have any questions, or refer to the city's website for additional information.